Looks a little yellow, but we'll see. Today during nap time, we are going to be playing with some new makeup by Amicole, and I'm going to be trying their Skin Enhancing Stick Foundation in the shade 230. I'm so excited because I love Amicole. If you've been watching my previous videos, you see that I use their multi-stick blush a lot in my video. Actually, this is what it looks like in most of my videos. I've been wearing this as my blush. But today we're going to try the foundation. I'm going to do it on half of my face because I heard this is like a skin-like finish. So I just want to show you what my actual skin looks like and what my skin looks like with the foundation on. And I'll be basically buffing it out on my skin with their complexion brush as well. I bought a lot of new products from them, but that's going to be in another video, so make sure you're on the lookout for that. But yeah, I am going to try this foundation. I hope I got the right shade. It looks a little yellow, but we'll see. Just gonna do it right down the middle so that you can see exactly where I'm putting the foundation. I've seen people use their hands, but I'm not a hand makeup person. I love brushes and sponges, so I'm just gonna buff this out. Wow, that was really easy. So this is the side with the foundation. This is the side without the foundation. I will say it definitely gives a skin-like finish. It actually like evened out my skin tone, in my opinion. I don't know if you guys can see it. Like on this side, you can see I have a natural contour, but on this side, it kind of evened out the natural contour a lot. So this side makes it look like it's basically all one color. I was scared that it was a little too light, but it's not. It literally just blurred everything and made it the same skin tone. Can you see the difference? Without foundation, with foundation. Now I'm gonna put the foundation on this side just to see what the whole face looks like with the foundation. My face is looking like when my foundation is all over my face. I'm loving the way it looks. It looks very natural. It is not full coverage at all, but it is buildable. I tried building it more on this side, and I can definitely see how it builds when you add more product to it. I think I could just like put this foundation on and go because it looks so natural looking. And it kind of like seems like it dries down matte for now, at least. I'm a combination girl, and like this part of my skin, I'll just put myself in that. This part of my face gets really oily after a while. But I didn't put any primer on or anything. This was just literally me trying it out. But I actually love the finish of this foundation. You can still see some of my dark spots, but that's what makes this foundation look so natural because I'm not trying to look like I have makeup on. And I think this does exactly what I want. So now that I have put the foundation all over my face, I'm loving this finish, like I said before. But now I'm gonna finish my face and do like an easy everyday makeup look just to see how it all comes together with this foundation. This is what the final look is looking like. I love it. I feel like everything meshed really well with this foundation. It is giving skin and it is giving natural, and I am loving it, y'all. Y'all know I love a good everyday makeup look, and this is what it's giving. I mean, look at the skin. I might have to zoom in some. But the skin is skinning, honey. Oh my goodness. I am in love with this foundation stick. Like, it literally looked like it just smoothed out my skin. It blurred my skin. It made my skin tone even. It gave what it was supposed to give. Absolutely love it. Let me know in the comments how you're liking this foundation stick on my skin. Do you want me to show you what it looks like with a primer on it? Because I did not use a primer. This is just on top of moisturizer, my regular skincare routine, and it looks gorgeous. Just for those who are wondering, this is going for $29 on their website and at Sephora, and you can buy it online at Sephora as well. I absolutely love this foundation. I will be adding it to my products for my everyday makeup look, and I might even try to use this in a glam look as well. I don't know, we shall see. But I'm also unboxing some brand new products that I bought from Omicole, so be on the lookout for that video as well. Anyways, thank you so much for tuning in today. Let me know below in the comments if you love this everyday makeup look like I do. All right, until next time, love you, bye.